What's good, YouTube? It's a quick little POV. My man's Los and my man's John. I see John with the ACK, Los with the ES350. This is technically the first PO drive with my paddles, but I'm gonna give y'all a real one with the paddles. Yeah, man, we're just gonna hop on the highway real quick. I hope y'all can see everything. Make sure, yeah, y'all can see everything. Oh yeah, we dragging. Oh yeah, that's how we coming. Do got a slight exhaust leak. Taking my joint to the shop sometime the next few days and get that patched up, get that welded up, whatever the case is. Since y'all know I just did replace my cats. Oh, that's feds right there. Get the pop. I'm trying to hit him pop again. This shit loud as shit. And he got the impact. I'm good, Joe. I'm about to install this little heat rack that my man John gave me. I see John with the act. We gonna go ahead and top in with him later and shit. So we gonna go ahead and put that thing on there. We got him on. Now I'm about to just wrap them real quick. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, we got the gold heat wrap on and put them back on. See how they look for the after. It's a little quick little, upgrade and stuff. Nothing crazy. Keep my intakes a little bit cooler. Keep my intakes a little bit better.
Feel it?
Oh, I'm gonna take this.
Pulling up. I don't know. I'm probably throw a res on there.
A res on it?
Yeah, I don't got no res on it. That's why it sounds so wow.
So you're gonna make it more quiet?
Nah.
A
That's
little
what I'm
bit.
saying. I might go take the mufflers back off.
Wow. And one of these is
yeah, that's what I'm.
You gotta turn it, you gotta make sure that shit stays on it. Yeah. sir. That's the after. Oh, man. I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up a little more, but look cool. I'm gonna put on the top part, add a little more pop to it. You know, something smooth, something simple. There you go, walk around. Hey, Blue. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. Say what's up to the cam, girl. Hey. All right, girl. All right, girl. Hey. Flip and say what's up. Nah, man, Nick. What you cheesing for?
You ain't even got the camera on me, nigga.
I do got the camera on you. Oh. My fault. My fault. Go ahead, shorty.
It's your dog, bro. I'm trying to move this.
You ain't trying to move this shit. Alright, though, YouTube. I'll go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Tap me with y'all later. And hit that bell down below. And here we out.
Quick though, see what's up. What's up, YouTube?
Shit sounds good.
Sounding good, I'm not gonna lie.
I told you, bro. You don't need to make it louder, bro.
Little pops.
Try to tell him that. You don't need to make it louder. Shit will call apartment and shit.
This is not. This is like a. It's a good one, bro.
That's Cat's Code?
Yeah.
That was the old one you had?
It's the always gonna pop up.
I ain't shit called Zeus.
Yeah.
I ain't even know.
But there's some shit that they got in the van for like 100.
Oh, okay.
That's the real shit.
That's the real motherfucker. Los just he erased my shit.
He did? Oh, he got the scanner though.
Yeah,
it's
the
like,
scanner motherfucker.
I got my shit plugged in there.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you go ahead and get that shit right.
Dang.
Nigga got the shit on that.
Mad clothes.